The breath meme token is about to move upward, and the best time to buy is right now, that is 0.17 cents. So if you don't buy right now, the market is going to move upward. I'm going to show you on the chart why I believe breath is going to make a significant move in next coming days and week, and the best time to buy is right now at 0.17 cents, because you may not see it at this price again in the next coming days and week. And Dogwifhat is about to make a huge significant pump all the way to the upside as a result of Robinhood listing coming in the near future. So pay attention to this video and watch this video to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you look at this very chart on TradingView, it is covered that when other meme tokens have been going down, like Pepe and Bonk, Floki, and the like, it is covered that Breath is making a good consolidation at this very point. And this consolidation means that the market is going to move upward. It also means that there is a lot of buy pressure on this very meme token. Now, I'm talking about breath on base, not breath on it or breath on soul. I'm looking at breath on base, and that is the one if you are considering investing in breath. And if you look at this very area, support level, market is about to make a huge significant move all the way to the upside. And this is what you must have to pay attention to right now if you want to consider investing in this very meme token. So if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, it is covered that the market is already coming into the oversold condition. At this very point, oversold condition, which means the bulls are about to come into the market. So once we see that happen, and there is a crossover between the blue line and the orange line, then that means market is going to move all the way to the upside. And that is what I am personally expecting. So if you are considering buying bread, the best time to buy is right at this price of 0.17 cents, okay, or 0.16 cents, as the case may be, as at the recording of this very video. So buy right now, because that massive pump is going to come into the market in the next coming days and weeks before the end of this year. I'm very sure from my own technical perspective, market is going to from here move all the way to the upside, and that is what I am personally looking at right now. On the 4-hour chart, it is covered that the market has been making a very significant pattern, which is what I am now watching on this very chart. So if you draw this out, it is covered this very pattern is very, very significant, and this is a channel. So on this channel, I am expecting a breakout. Once the breakout occur, then know that the market have capacity of moving all the way to the upside. And this is what you must have to pay attention to right now. So if you've invested in breath before now, or if you want to consider investing in breath, the best time is now. And that significant pump is going to come into the market once we see a breakout of this very level of important resistance. Once this resistance breaks out, expect an aggressive pump all the way to the upside on breath, and it's going to be in line with what we are seeing on the 1-day chart. This is what you must have to pay attention to right now if you've invested, or if you want to consider breath as part of your investment in this very bull market. So this is very, very important right now. If you look at coin market cap, it is covered that breath is the 63 coin by ranking on coin market cap, with $1.69 billion market capitalization, and we have 10 billion breath as max supply, 9.91 billion circulating in total supply right here, as you can see. And like I said, I'm talking about breath on base. Where can you buy breath? If you go to market and go to sales, I'm looking at centralized exchange. You get it on Bybit, you get it on Orbit, you get it on BitGet, KuCoin, and the rest of it. So you can get this very coin right here. And for those of you that have not bought breath yet, and you want to consider buying bread right now at 0.17 cents. If you look at this very coin, I am expecting that this coin do the least $10 billion in the hit of the bull market. What that implies is I am expecting this coin to hit a $10 billion market capitalization. Is that a possibility? Yes. In my own opinion, that possibility is there, and that is what I am looking at. What that means is we need to get a $1 for breath in the heat of the bull market, and even up to 1.5, which can take it to a $15 billion market capitalization. We've seen Dogecoin and Shiba do even more than 20 to 25 billion-dollar market capitalization in the past bull market, and breath can even do more than that because it have a lot of potential right now to move all the way to the upside. And this is what I am personally expecting right now. So if you want to invest in breath, the best time is right now, because this very price of 0.17 cents that you're seeing right now, you may not see it in the near future. If you want to consider investing in breath and you want to use $200 and buy right now at 0.17 cents. So with $200 at 0.17 cents, you're going to have this quantity of bread in your portfolio. And if you want to use a $400 to buy right now at this very price, then you're going to have 2,352 bread in your portfolio. So either you use 200 or 400 or $50 or $100, depending on what you can afford to lose, and invest in this very meme token. I believe in the hit of the bull market is going to do very, very well. So consider investing in bread. Now, one thing you need to also look out for when you want to make an investment decision is, if in a bear market, if market begin to crash all the way to the downside, what is going to happen to that very token? In as much as it is a meme token, if you look at the chart again, you discover that this very breath token have capacity to move all the way to the upside, and even when other tokens are dumping all the way to the downside, it have a lot of stamina. Look at the chart right at this very point. So breath is a good investment for you if you are considering buying a token that will not crash that much to the downside if market is dumping hard. And the next thing is that Dogwifhat is about to get listing on Robinhood. What that means is a lot of liquidity is going to come into this very token as a result of Robinhood listing. And the best time to buy is right now, Dogwifhat. So if you want to trade Dogwifhat for short-term profits, the best time to buy is right at this very point, because Robinhood listing is coming, and once Robinhood listing come into play, is going to make this very coin to pump all the way to the upside, and that is my expectation. And you don't wait for the news to come, you buy the rumor, and right now it is still a rumor, which I believe personally is going to come to pass. So best time to buy is right now at 3.15 cents. I bought some at this very point. That was 3 days ago when I got the news, and market is going to move upward. Now, I don't expect the market to just move all the way to the upside, but it's going to definitely come. And this is what you should be expecting right now on this very chart. So pay attention to all of this on this very chart right now. And if you look at this very stochastic RSI indicator, it discovered that the market is at oversold condition right now, and it will going to move all the way to the upside. And this is what I'm expecting right now on this very chart. So pay attention, and market is going to move all the way to the upside on Dogwifhat after Robinhood listing, because this is going to make a lot of liquidity to flow into this very token right now. Breath can make you rich in the heat of the bull market if you buy right now at 0.17 cents. And if you want to make money from Dogwifhat as a result of Robinhood listing, the best time to buy is right at this point of important support, and the market is at this very area of oversold condition, and it's going to move all the way to the upside. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel for more crypto news, technical analysis, investing strategy. Check the description and the pinned comment and join right now. It is absolutely free. And check this video right here and right at this point to learn how to trade crypto if you are a beginner trader. Thanks for watching.